In this video, we're going to show you how to use Folk CRM for customer onboarding and walk through everything you need to know. Whether you're new to Folk CRM or just looking for a quick guide on how to use it efficiently, you're in the right place. Folk CRM is a flexible and easy-to-use customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage their relationships, track leads, and automate processes like onboarding. One of the best things about Folk is its simplicity combined with powerful features. You can get started completely free through the link in the description below, and we've even got exclusive bonuses for you to make the most of it. Now, let's jump into how to onboard customers using Folk CRM. First things first, when a new lead enters your system, the onboarding process starts immediately. With Folk, you can automate key touchpoints and reminders. Setting up these automations is simple. You can create workflows where certain actions are triggered when a customer takes specific actions, like filling out a form or joining your newsletter. These workflows allow you to stay on top of your customer's journey without having to manually follow up every time. One key feature of Folk CRM that's really great for onboarding is the ability to use tags and custom fields. By tagging your customers based on their interests, behavior, or where they are in the buying cycle, you can tailor your communication. Custom fields give you the ability to store essential data, like contract details, customer preferences, and specific onboarding steps, making it easier to track where each customer is in their journey. For onboarding, you also have the option to create tasks that are automatically assigned to team members. These tasks can be connected to specific steps in your onboarding process. So if you're guiding a customer through product setup or onboarding calls, these tasks ensure your team doesn't miss a thing. Everything is right there in Folk CRM, helping you stay organized and on top of every step. Another amazing feature for customer onboarding in Folk CRM is the ability to send personalized emails and messages. These communications can be automated, ensuring that each customer receives exactly what they need at the right time. You can set up email templates to ensure consistency and personalization, whether you're sending a welcome email, an onboarding guide, or a follow-up message after a call. What really sets Folk CRM apart in the customer onboarding process is its shared workspace. When your team is collaborating on onboarding a new customer, you'll find that everything is centralized. Your team members can easily add notes, track progress, and see updates in real time. This shared experience improves communication and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. And if you're wondering about integration, Folk CRM has you covered. It easily integrates with tools you're already using, like your email service, calendar, and other CRM apps. This allows you to seamlessly move your customers through the onboarding journey while keeping everything in sync. If you've been looking for a CRM that's simple to set up, easy to use, and powerful enough to handle your customer onboarding needs, Folk CRM might be the solution you've been searching for. Plus, it's completely free to get started by clicking the first link in the description below, and we've got an exclusive extended trial for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your customer onboarding process with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to implement Folk CRM for your customer onboarding needs and start seeing immediate results. Take advantage of the free trial and bonuses and make your onboarding process smoother and more effective today.